Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group here with my review of Birthday Empire, which launched on the 28th of June at 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review video, I'm going to go through this new release from Aleesandro Zamboni, and it's one of those ones that we quite like in the Elite Tigers group, a little bit of a left field niche, which taps into making money out of people's birthdays. Now, we know that the mantra this year is very much to keep opening up new alternative income streams that deal with actual physical products being shipped away from the make money online niche wherever possible, to have all these little pots of money that are protected from the vagaries of PayPal, payment processor issues and other stuff like that. Well, this is definitely one of them. Discover this little known trick to make money on people's birthdays and build an unbeatable business. And Aleesandro has been doing this for a good while now. And has done pretty well out of it as a side income. So if this sounds like something that might be of interest to you, then do listen on to this review video. I'll also be going through the custom bonuses that I've put together if you decide to pick up Birthday Empire from the link immediately underneath this review video. There are 5 of them that are all closely aligned to the print-on-demand business model, and you can get them by clicking any of these green buttons here before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will, I'm afraid, expire. And I don't want that to happen, folks, because as I've said, they're custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. You won't be able to get them from any other affiliate. Having said that, do see what other people are offering with their copies of Birthday Empire, because remember, you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realise that the bonuses that I'm offering are way better and way more useful for you to succeed with Birthday Empire than what anyone else is offering. So what exactly is Birthday Empire? Well, it's a way that you can make consistent income by selling the next print-on-demand trend. Discover the little-known trick to make money on people's birthdays and build an unbeatable business. There is Aleesandro Zamboni, successful affiliate internet marketer. Watch the short sales video. It's literally an hour. It's 1 minute and 5 seconds long. That's all, folks. So do watch it. It's both here and on my bonus page. So this is what we're going to teach you in this method. A way to start making $200 a day by leveraging this simple idea on 17 million people per day. So every single day of the year, 17 million people across the globe have a birthday. So you're never going to be short of prospects with this, folks, and it's going to be consistent across the year, which is another good thing. It's very easy to repeat, and everything's served to you on a silver platter. No tech skills and no paid software needed. It's highly profitable. This type of birthday related niche product sells like crazy and people love to collect them. Easy to use platform where selling this is super simple, just takes 20 seconds to set up. You can get free traffic from multiple sources, the prime places where this item sells like crazy. And it, as I've said before, it's an unlimited market. What it doesn't say here, but what you should also know is this product is shipped for you. So there's nothing for you to do other than get the sales, and someone else is going to deliver this product, which is an actual physical product, but someone else is going to do the delivery and the shipping. You don't have to worry about any of that at all. So it's a completely straightforward model. And as I said, the fact that we're dealing with a tangible, real product is very good. So let's head back over to my page and have a look at these custom bonuses. If you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page, and this video that I'm recording now will be in here. This is just a recap of what we've just gone through on the sales page. This is the sales video, which you should definitely watch. And as I said, it's only just over 1 minute long. So these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you. And these are variations on a theme. These are other ways that you can utilize making money from print on demand. Aleesandro gives you even more ways with his upsells. But print on demand in 2019 is huge. It is one of the growth areas, if not the growth area in e-commerce. Yeah, loads of people are making a lot of money with it. Quite a few of you picked up Covert T-shirt store earlier this year. As you know, there's loads of people making money with T-shirts online. There's loads of people making money with mugs and other printables. So this great course from Ike Paz, Printly, will show you exactly another new method of how to win with print on demand. A variation on a theme, 5K publishing paydays from Brendan Mace. This is a course that shows you how to make money repackaging info products on Kindle, again with no writing yourself, so don't worry about that. Another variation on the theme, this one Raken, another massive growth area at the moment, is vintage clothing, and this method is going to show you how you can easily make money by sourcing and selling vintage clothing on eBay. It's a great method. Again, people are raking it in, as the name Raken. But this one, The Profit Factory, this is a slightly different variation on the theme. This one from Samuel Chima shows you how you can build and design your own product from scratch. And finally, this one here is just a straightforward method that I've thrown in from John O. Armstrong. A more straightforward money-making method, how to make $100 a day from your laptop using completely free traffic. So lots of different ways to make money here, most of them very closely related to the print-on-demand niche that we're talking about with Birthday Empire. But hopefully we've added plenty of value there to give you an incentive to pick it up from my link. So just some example of the number of sales of similar types of this product. Aleesandro himself has shipped 215 of these. Problems with getting started. I'm not going to go through all the sales page, folks, even though Aleesandro doesn't go in for massively large sales pages. But this is what you're going to learn. It's an over-the-shoulder video series, video tutorial set from Aleesandro. So you'll, first of all, he'll show you the proof the system works like crazy. Secondly, how to create countless amounts of these birthday products in minutes. Thirdly, the websites where you can find unlimited ideas. Fourthly, the system exposed walkthrough step by step. Fifthly, how to create your free shop to sell these birthday products. 6, how to 10 times your earnings. Next, 6 additional ideas to rock your market. 3 ways to advertise your shop once you've got it set up. 2 free ways and 1 paid way, and much, much more. So all of that is included. It's a very enjoyable method, this, folks. I think people enjoy the sort of t-shirt print on demand niche. I think it's a lot less hassle than make money online, isn't it? It's actually, you feel like you're doing something enjoyable and actually selling a real tangible product, which is nice for a change. So Birthday Empire, all you have to do to earn this passive income, find a few ideas and start creating. Each item takes no more than a couple of minutes to make. Upload it with 1 button click of your mouse to your personal store that you're going to create. And step 3, get ready to collect sales day by day and month by month. This is what you get when you purchase it, the complete video series, and also an exclusive bonus from Aleesandro, a new incredible niche. In this separate video, he's going to review this alternate, or not alternative, as an extra niche that you can that complements the birthday one that you can sell together on the same store. So this will add you additional sales. And the price for this, folks, $17, and there's a 14-day money back guarantee from Aleesandro on this product. Yeah. So before we wrap this up, folks, we'll have a quick look at the upsells. So the first upsell is another print-on-demand product that must be customized for customers. So have a look at that. It's another one in an alternative niche. That is $27. The second upsell is Aleesandro's very successful Mugs Empire, which was totally renewed recently for its 2.0 version. Again, that sells for $27. Aleesandro really killed it with this Mugs product. And the third one is a system to build a solid income from print on demand with great strategies to create a brand new brand. And that one sells for $47. And that is pretty much it, folks. Some confusion here because on this page here, it actually says that the third upsell is 97, but I believe it is 47, but you'll have to check that, folks, when you see the sales page. And that is pretty much it, folks. As I said, nice, happy niche, this one, I think we'll call it. Just a reminder that if you do want to pick up these additional bonuses, which are all great value, all of these are courses in their own right, which are worth more than the $17 you're going to pay for Birthday Empire. Click on the green button. That will take you through to this sales page. Click on this button here, add to cart. And then after purchase, you will come back into your members area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of Birthday Empire, and then click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. And that, folks, is all there is to it. So I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. It's a nice, as I said, it's a nice niche to sell in. No shortage of prospects, and it's a good left field product and an idea which we like. And Aleesandro's got a good track record with this sort of print on demand stuff as well. So what's not to like, really, folks, for a Friday afternoon, which is when this is being launched. So all that remains is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. This has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers group with my review of Birthday Empire.